Welcome to a sim code. Installing Python, a guide to setting up Python on different operating systems. Introduction to develop in Python. The first step is to install it on your system. Linux and macOS typically come with Python pre-installed. However, different operating systems have their own installation processes. This guide walks you through installation for different environments. Checking Python installation on Linux on Debian/Ubuntu Linux. Open the terminal, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Run the command Python 3 version. If Python is installed, you'll see the version number. Otherwise, you'll get an error message. Installing Python on Ubuntu/Debian. To install Python, sudo apt install Python 3 to update Python to the latest version. Sudo apt only upgrade install Python 3 to install a specific version. Sudo apt install Python 3.10. Installing Python on Red Hat/CentOS. On Red Hat/CentOS systems, use yum install Python 3. Ensure you have the proper permissions, sudo, when installing. Installing Python on Windows/macOS. Windows and macOS users can download Python from the official website. Download the appropriate installer for your OS and follow the instructions. Python distributions. Simplifying installation. Python distributions bundle the interpreter with essential tools and libraries. These distributions manage dependencies and simplify installations. Popular distributions include Anaconda. Miniconda distributions provide easier management of packages, environments, and versions. Introduction to Anaconda. Anaconda is a popular Python distribution developed by Continuum Analytics. It includes a large collection of Python packages and tools. Key features of Anaconda: package management, environment management, pre-installed libraries like pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. Installing Anaconda. Go to Anaconda's website. Download the appropriate installer for your OS. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Anaconda. Using Conda for package management. Conda is the package manager used by Anaconda. To install a package, Conda install package underscore name, example, Conda install numpy. Creating and managing virtual environments with Anaconda. You can create multiple virtual environments with different Python versions. To create an environment with Python 3.11, Conda create NPY 311 Python equals 3.11 Anaconda to activate the environment. Source activate PY 311 on Linux/macOS. Activate PY 311 on Windows. Deactivating and removing environments. To deactivate your environment, source deactivate on Linux/macOS. Deactivate on Windows to remove the virtual environment. Conda remove NPY 311, all. Anaconda Navigator is a GUI for managing environments, packages, and applications. Features include launch Jupyter Notebooks, launch Spider ID, create and manage virtual environments. Summary of installation methods Linux. Use apt Debian / Ubuntu or Yum, Red Hat / CentOS, Windows / macOS. Download from Python, org Anaconda, a powerful distribution for data science and environment management Conda. Package and Environment Manager used in Anaconda virtual environments. Manage Python versions and dependencies using Anaconda. Conclusion: installing Python can be simple with the right tools. Anaconda simplifies package and environment management, making it easier to develop Python applications. Choose the installation method based on your needs, whether it's a simple Python installation or a robust distribution like Anaconda.